Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 31 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 31, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a broader point of view. So this definitely assumes you have a bigger picture kind of time horizon. But that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 31 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party stopped today right up there at just shy of 35 cents. So 35 will be public enemy number one going forward. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that, given where the price closed today, it's not like the price has to venture very far before it can once again do battle with this level like it did over here. So it would not be shocking at all to see a breakout of 35 cents. Like I said, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that, and then you factor in the final 30 minutes of the day as far as volume is concerned right there. And while not gigantic, still quite a bit bigger than the other sessions. So yeah, tomorrow's setup, very interesting. So let's see if this thing can break up above 35 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.